Hi guys, nothing in the charity shops today, so I ended up in Poundland and bought this solar PIR floodlight rechargeable motion sensor. Cost a £5 or £5, and I thought I'd buy it and have a look at it. I've no doubt BigClive.com will have done a proper teardown. I'll have to have a look at his channel. But we'll have a look, see if it works. Only problem is it's a bit late in the day, so we're not going to see any sun shining on it. Okay, so first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of those, they call them cob lights. It's the flat LEDs, little yellow ones. So 10 of them. That's our detector on-off switch. Oh, so it's obviously fully charged at the moment. 2 position. What does it actually say? Off, auto and PIR. So in the PIR position, one would assume it'll go off in a minute. Maybe there's some settings to do. Any instructions? No. Mounting. Oh yeah, it has gone off. That's good. So, wave in front of it? No. It's probably already set. I don't see any instructions there at all. So that's our solar panel, reasonable size. I assume we've got a battery somewhere that it charges. Not quite sure what's gonna... Oh, yeah, leave that. So it's obviously only going to come on at night anyway, when there's no charge going into the panel. That was about 30 seconds. Okay, so the PIR works. Turn it off. We have it that way up, middle position, and then when it gets dark, yeah, that's just the ordinary auto. So where do we think the batteries are? Probably in the back of here. Oh, not bad. 3 AA batteries, rechargeable. Nickel metal hydride. 300 milliamp hour. There's no point in me having a look at the circuit board and trying to describe what it does. But we can see that the PIR is actually directly onto that board. There's 3 pins there. So that's all on board. So that'd be the charging circuit, LED control or driver, and the PIR and the on-off switch. But I'm not going to do any more than that. That's enough for me. Just pretty good. See, it's got 3 cells in there. Here we are, just as a temporary test. I've got the solar panel blue tack to the window here, and then I've got the spotlight, or whatever we want to call it, just hanging up there. It's switched off at the moment. That's in the auto position, so it will come on when it gets dark out there. So a little bit later on I'll come in here and test it, and then we'll also try it on the PIR position. Well, now that it's gone dark outside, so there's no light hitting the solar panel, we've got the light on. So if I now shove that over to that one, which is the PIR, it was on for about 30 seconds, wasn't it? So I'll turn the camera off, wait for it to go off. Right, it's gone off, and I moved, and it came back on again. Just wait for it to go off again. I'm on the other side of the room now. Right, it's off. Move around a bit. Oh yes, as soon as I moved. Very sensitive. So it looks like it works. The only thing we don't know is how well it charges off that panel. But at the moment, I would say that's looking good. I'll turn the lights off in the conservatory. We've got it on PIR setting, so I'll move. Yeah, there we go. The only thing you can't really tell is whether it's bright enough for you. I can certainly see well enough in here, but the camera will be doing auto white balance, so you can't really tell how bright it is. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.